Last period, I taught you about seasons. Now, page number 10, part 3. Today I am going to teach you what causes the changes that we see throughout the seasons. Throughout the seasons, which kind of changes we feel throughout the year as the earth orbits the sun. Many of its parts experiences changing season. When rotates our earth rotation and revolution at that time, season and days may change. When the earth orbits the sun, many of parts experience different kind of seasons. The warm spring brings colorful flowers. In spring season, friends, in spring season, we can see different flowers, different kind of colorful flowers, and we feel its fragrance. It is followed by hot summer, the season of vacation. Spring season may followed by hot summer season at that time, the season of vacation. The another warm season known as autumn season. Autumn season is also a warm season. When the leaves turn red and brown before falling off the trees. At that time, when they falling down from the trees, they may turn their color, maybe red and brown. Finally comes winter, the only cold and dry season. Friends, in winter season, we feel very cold and it is also a dry season. Different parts of the earth experiences different kind of seasons. When our earth revolution around the sun at that time, we faces different kind of seasons. Earth, all kind of parts faces different kind of seasons. Summer in northern hemisphere, winter in southern hemisphere. In this diagram, in the middle of the sun. And when our earth revolve around the sun, the another part of the earth faces different kind of seasons, feel different kind of seasons. When our earth rotate, summer in the northern hemisphere, winter in the southern hemisphere. At that time, in the north part of the earth, at that time, north part of the earth faces from the side of the sun. This part of the earth faces summer season, and another part of the earth faces winter in southern hemisphere. Then after earth revolve and revolve. At that time, autumn in the northern hemisphere. In northern hemisphere feels at that time autumn season, and southern hemisphere feels spring season. Then another part of the earth revolve around the sun. At that time, northern hemisphere feels winter season and the southern hemisphere feels summer season. Then after earth revolve around the sun, at that time northern part of the earth feels spring season and southern part of the earth feels autumn season. This is the due to happens revolution of the earth around the sun. Now let's see on page number 11. The tilt of the earth's axis plays a vital role in the change of seasons. Tilt. What is, friends, what is the meaning of tilt? Tilt means slightly flatten. slightly flattened. Our earth do not move side by side, but it's slightly flattened, means turned aside. The tilt of the earth's axis plays a vital role in the change of season, so that earth play a vital role to the changes of seasons. If the axis of the earth was not tilted, the earth would receive the same amount of sunlight. If our earth axis of the earth was not tilted, we feel same kind of seasons on the earth and we feel same kind of sunlight. We feel same amount of sunlight on the earth and we feel same seasons throughout the year. Due to the axis of the earth was tilted, this happens. If the earth did not revolve around the sun, day by day our earth revolved around the sun and also rotate on its axis, so that we feel different kind of seasons and get different kind of light and heat of the sun. Different seasons are caused because of the inclined axis and the revolution of the earth around the sun. Due to the revolution of the earth around the sun, we feel different kind of seasons. Summer in northern hemisphere, when our earth moves around the sun, revolve around the sun. Same that time, we feel winter in the southern hemisphere. In northern hemisphere, we feel summer season, and in southern hemisphere, we feel winter season. This way, when the earth day by day revolved around the sun, we faces different kind of seasons on the earth. Now friends, I am going to teach you equinoxes and solstice. First, what is the meaning of equinox? Friends, equinox means equal days and night on the earth. Friends, what is the meaning of equinox? Equinox means we face is equal days and nights on the earth. We feel equal days and night on the earth. 21st March in our calendar, date 21st March and 23rd September are known as equinox. These both days are known as the equinox. These both days we feel same days and same nights on the earth. We feel same days and same nights on the earth, 21st March and 23rd September. Days and nights are of equal length at that time. On these both days, days and nights are of equal length. Its time is same. The rays of the sun shine directly on the equator. In last chapter, I taught you about equator. Equator is located in the middle of the earth, and this equator divides our earth into two equal halves. Equator. On those days, 21st March and 23rd September, at that time, on the equator, these both days, sun shines directly on the equator. Suns shine directly on the equator. Now friends, equinoxes and solstice. Solstice, 21st June and 22nd December are known as summer solstice and winter solstice. 21st June and 22nd December. Both are known as the summer solstice and winter solstice. On this solstice, the rays of the sun shine directly of the two tropics. At that time, sun directly rays shine on the two tropics. During the June solstice, the sun's rays shine directly on the Tropic of Cancer. During the December solstice, the sun's rays shine on the Tropic of Capricorn. Now see, this is the Earth. This is the Earth. In last chapter I taught you, and in the middle of the Earth, here is the equator. Here is the equator. This is the North Pole and South Pole. During the June solstice, the sun's rays shine directly on the Tropic of Cancer. Here is the Tropic of This is the Tropic of Cancer. In the middle of the Earth, this is the equator, and downside near the South Pole, this is the Tropic of Capricorn. During the June solstice, the sun's rays shine directly on the Tropic of Cancer. At that time, sun rays directly fall on the Tropic of Cancer, and during the December solstice, the sun's rays shine on the Tropic of Capricorn. During the December solstice, sun rays directly fall on the Tropic of Capricorn. Days and nights are not same length. In equinox, now friends, what is the difference means equinox and solstice? In equinox, days and nights are equal in length, but in solstice, the days and nights are not in same length. Both are different during 21st June and 22nd December. Now let's see the diagram equinox and solstice. Here is the equinox March 21, 22. It is known as the equinox. Here 23.5 degree north. This is the solstice June 21st and 22nd. June 21st and 22nd. This is the 25 degree north, and this area fills the solstice June 21st and 22. This is the orbit of the earth and equinox. North Pole and South Pole. When the North Pole and South Pole fills equinox at that time, east and west fills solstice. 0 degree equinox in September 22 and 23. This may fill equinox. And then 23.5 degrees south, solstice December 21 and 22. Now friends, now you know what is the meaning of difference between equinox and solstice. In equinox, days and nights are equal, and in solstice, days and nights are not equal and not in same length. Now friends, which topics I taught you? First, seasons. How many seasons are there on the earth? There are 3 main seasons. Which are they? Summer season, winter season and monsoon season. Then after, I taught you about movements of the earth. Our earth moves 2 types of rotation and revolution. When the earth moves on its axis, it is called rotation, and when the earth moves around the sun, it is called revolution. This is the rotation and revolution. Rotation means earth moves on its axis, and then after days and nights occur. And when the earth moves around the sun, seasons may change. This is called the rotation of the earth and revolution of the earth. Then rotation of the earth and revolution of the earth. Then after I taught you causes seasons. Why the seasons changes? When the earth revolve around the sun, seasons may changes. If our earth not revolve around the sun, seasons may not changes. Any one season we can fill whole the year. Then after I taught you equinox and solstice. Equinox, in the equinox equal days and night, and in solstice days and nights are not equal in length, both are different.